Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today I will discuss the case of Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus ASHOK RADHAKISHEN MEHRA. This case has been reported in 86 ITAT Tribunal, short notes 19. The matter has been decided by Mumbai ITAT A bench. The date of the judgment is 18th February 2021. In this case, a very limited issue came before the Honorable ITAT. This issue was regarding the deductibility of the interest on bank loan or loan from cooperative bank in case this interest has been serviced by the overdraft account. As all we know, section 43B talks about deduction of certain expenses on the basis of payment only. If these expenses which are mentioned in section 43B are not being paid up to the date of return filing of the date, then those expenses will be allowed only on the basis of the payment. In this case, the matter was for the assessment year 15-16 and the assessee debited near about 2 crore rupees in the profit and loss account as an expense in the nature of interest on the bank loan, and this interest has been serviced through the overdraft account. When the assessment was going on, the learned assessing officer was of the opinion or was of the view that section 43B is attracted in this case when the interest is being serviced through overdraft account. Although the assessee kept the point before the assessing officer that for the assessment year 11-12 on the same matter, the ITAT has held in favor of the assessee and the expense was allowed. But the learned assessing officer made the addition when this matter came to the CIT appeal. The CIT appeal gave relief to the assessee on the point that on the same matter, the ITAT has given relief to the assessee in the assessment year 11-12 also. The CIT appeal said that the explanation 3D, which says that interest on bank loan or cooperative bank, or you can say the expense which is mentioned in section 43B clause E, will be allowed only on the basis of the payment, and if this interest has been converted into any loan or advance, then it will not be treated as a payment. So the limited issue before the CIT appeal was that whether explanation 3D will be applicable when the interest has been serviced through OD account or CC account. So CIT appeal held that explanation 3D will not be applicable in case the interest has been serviced through the overdraft account or CC account. It is only applicable when it has been converted into any loan or advance. CC account or OD account cannot be treated as an loan or advance. As usual, the department moved to the ITAT against the order of the CIT appeal, and ITAT held that there is already the precedent of the same ITAT, and the ITAT for the assessment year 11-12 has given the judgment in favor of the assessee, so there is nothing much more. The law is well settled, so the ITAT upheld the order of the CIT appeal and the addition was deleted on this point. Friends, with due regard to the Honorable ITAT, if we see this case, then it appears that the service of the interest even through the CC account or the OD account is also covered under section 43B clause E and explanation 3D, because it is also a conversion. But because this case is in the favor of the assessee, so we welcome this case, because already the assessee is now in a burden of such a big compliance that if these type of reliefs will not come from the various courts, then it will be very difficult for the assessee to do the business nowadays, because there is a huge compliance cost and the litigation cost on the part of the assessee as far as the compliance of the various fiscal laws are concerned. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus ASHOK RADHAKISHEN MEHRA. And this case has been reported in 86 ITR Tribunal, short notes 19. The matter has been decided by Mumbai ITAT A bench and the date of the judgment is 18th February 2021. Thank you, friends.